There you go. Nail that fucking tower.
Shoot a cow or something.
A cow, huh?
I mean, a camel.
Tower.
Yeah, that's the base of the tower right there.
Holy crap.
Right there.
Basically, they made the thing a whole video game.
That is awesome. Because I like video games.
Hell yeah.
It's not you actually killing the enemy. Or like pressing a button and wondering exactly what it is.
That's crazy. That is crazy. That's the same thing I said. I just said, are you serious? Look at this. They got a joystick for it, dog. That is crazy, too.
Is the entire military going to video games? Is that what it is? Y'all just put an Xbox controller and put a fucking Halo.
Hell yeah. Dog, look at this shit. Look at that shit. What the fuck? Exactly. Exactly. Look at that. Catch that facial expression. Say it again. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. Exactly what I'm. That's the new PlayStation 5, baby. You can actually shoot people with it. You gotta have a license to play the PlayStation 5.
Do you really?
Oh shit, he got the camera on us. Look.
Yeah, I know. Flip them off. Have a screen that comes
I think I want to flip off the guy with the 50 cal. Look at that. That's crazy.
That's crazy. So you have to be like actually licensed.
I had to go to a 10-day course.
10-day course? That is sweet. If I
So like on convoys, you just sit back there and fuck with it. Look at chicks and shit.
That's
what we do.
The course was at Camp Anaconda, so we drive around the camp learning how to use it. And you put it in surveillance mode like this so you don't have the gun on it.
Yeah.
So you sit around zooming in on it all the time.
That is nuts.
So sign me up.
That is nuts. Want it. Oh, I'm gonna get one of those on top of my Pontiac.
Different way for the vehicle. Somebody touches it, it pops out the roof and shit.
Yeah, you put a Mark 19 on there.
No, I didn't see him. Last time I saw him, he was walking down that way.
How much does that thing cost?
$250,000.
Serious?
How durable is it? Like, say you hit IDs, you gonna fuck up, or would it hold pretty good?
They haven't.
Go drive around.
It might screw with your zero a little bit. The camera and the gun move independently, so your zero is saved in the computer. So if you like strip a gear one notch or something, it's gonna be off. They haven't really had any incidents where they had.
Does it clean itself too? Damn.
That's nowadays.
So how are the rounds loaded in? You guys just put a box in and fucking...
It's got 500 rounds in that black box.
Because I see the cord, the black little thing coming up out of there. Oh, okay, I see it. So that just takes the shells and shit.
Yeah, 500 rounds in the box. And it's got savvy plates just like you would, protecting the rounds.
Really?
Savvy plates, like there's all savvy plates all around the thing, protecting it from.
Holy shit.
Well, we'll never get that, so
yeah, we're not worth 250.
Yeah.
We're not worth $250,000. Thanks, guys. We're not worth $250,000. We get 4 sappy.
We get something like that, we're gonna sit there and like break it.
Hey, Basin.